The RDS-32 features dual alarm functionality for dose and dose rate. The dual alarm enables setting a lower warning level in addition to the alarm level. The following example covers dose rate alarm settings for a meter with sievert units. Remember that the RDS-32 is also available in REM units. To select the alarm modes in use, navigate to the Alarm menu and select Dose Rate Mode. To enable the warning functionality, select Dual in the Dose Rate Mode menu. The alarm levels can be freely set in the Alarm menu. Set a warning level by navigating to Dose Rate in the Alarm menu. Use the up and down arrow keys and move right to complete the desired setting. The unit multiplier can be changed in the same way if necessary. Save the setting by pressing the Select key. The display will automatically move to the dose rate alarm level setting. Follow the same procedure to set the dose rate alarm level and dose alarm set point. By default, the RDS-32 will provide a visual, audible, and vibration alarm. The alarm methods in use can be changed in the configuration software. The dose rate warning can be silenced in the main display using the mute function. The audible alarm, the vibration, and LED will switch off. The warning symbol will be continuously shown in the upper left corner and the display will blink. If the reading drops below alarm set point, the next warning or alarm will turn the audio back on. The RDS-32 also allows alarm levels to be set for external probes. The available alarm levels and unit vary by probe type. To set an alarm for an external probe, navigate into the menu ext.al and select from the list. The unit in the list is defined by the settings in the probe memory. For CSP probes, the preset levels can be edited with CSPS software. For other probes, with the CSW32 configuration software. Thank you, and this ends the alarm demonstration of the RDS-32.